Welcome to Crash Course of Crash Course. Today on this episode, we're gonna be flying through a washing machine, a giant bin. Step 1, make sure you level with your target. Good. Number 2, make sure you have the right aim. Good. Number 3, fly through it. Fail! Welcome to the Huge Crash Course, and let's try again. Number 1, make sure you level with your target. Number 2, full speed ahead. Fail! Welcome to the Crash Course, it's unsuspected. I'm making a video. Shush. Welcome to this Crash Course of Unsuspected. Today we're going to be flying through a giant tower. Number 1, fly through the tower. Step 2, try it again because it looked too easy. Number 3, try it again because it looked too hard. Fail! Welcome to Candyland's basement. In today's episode, we're going to be flying through a cotton candy balls. Number 1, fly through the candy balls. Fail! Welcome to this Crash Course, and today we're going to be trying blue. Number 1, shooter. Number 2, bring her in the helicopter. Number 3, kid, make her not breathe. Fail! Welcome to this Crash Course, and now we're gonna end this video of Crash Course. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Welcome to this Crash Course, and we're gonna be ending this video today. Number 1, end the video.